Hello, welcome to the video. Let's bend some text around a circle. So what we need to do to start is we need some guides. So if you haven't got the rulers at the side here, press Ctrl and R, that'll bring them up. Then you just drag and drop into the middle and it'll sort of clip to the middle, like that. Then we're going to use the circle tool, hold in Shift and Alt and drag away from the center to bring it all out. And then we need the text tool. We're going to start at the top, wait till your cursor goes to the wiggly line, and then you can start typing. Cool, now we can change the colour of this. And I'm also going to use the character panel to mess around with the text. We need to bring it up a little bit. Right, now we need to squish it in. If you haven't got the character panel at the side here, go up to Window at the top. I'm looking for that, and just click character and it'll bring this little box up. So what that does is it just squishes the text all together. That's handy when you're doing logo design. Right, we need another circle, so we're going to do the same, but we're going to make it so that it just rests on top of the text like that. Back to the text tool and go down to the bottom till you get the squiggly line. Oh, I messed that one up. Try that again. The squiggly line, yes. And then we type, but you can see that it's upside down. Don't worry, we're going to fix that. Okay, so this little square, little diamond here, when you get that cursor you can click and drag and it's going to put it inside the circle. There we go. And then you can hide the circles if you just want the text, or we can bring one back. Or we can just draw another one out and you can get some space from that as well, so it's not touching the circle. Change the colour of it over here. I'm going to change it to that blue. There we go, that's how you bend text around circles. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, press the like button. If you want to see more, then subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.